everyone, welcome to my channel Nikayo TV. So today we're going to discuss about eye problems and tips for eye health. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share the video. So let's begin. So what are the common eye problems that we face? So these are eye strain, blurry vision, trouble focusing at a distance, headaches and dry eyes. Dry eyes is one of the most important one. So let's see this in detail. So this picture shows the shiny outermost layer of the eyes called the tear film, and beneath this layer lies the cornea. And this tear film, as you can see in the diagram, is divided into three layers: the outermost lipid layer, below that the aqueous layer, and below that the mucin layer. And due to any reasons like less blinking, dry windy environment, or chronic conjunctivitis, there is development of something called dry eye syndrome or keratoconjunctivitis sicca, because there is evaporation of the tear film or erosion of the tear film, and there is exposure of the underlying cornea. So let's see the structure of cornea. So cornea has outermost or anteriormost epithelium, also called as stratified squamous epithelium, then the Bowman's membrane, stroma, Descemet's membrane, and endothelium, the posteriormost structure. And since the tear film has been disrupted, there is exposure of this corneal superficial layers, and that cause a serious condition called SPK. Now SPK is superficial punctate keratitis. As you can see in the picture, that this is the cornea, and there are these multiple spots, multiple spotty lesions on the cornea, and they are characterized by pain, photophobia, the person does not like being in light, there is lacrimation, excess watery secretion, redness of the eye, and foreign body sensation. So the person always feels like there's something in his eye, though there's nothing. So now all this was just a complication of dry eyes. So here are 5 tips for eye care that you must follow. So let's begin. First one is you need to eat well. So carrots, as you can see here, they are rich in vitamin A. Then citrus fruits, rich in vitamin C. Spinach, rich in vitamin A and carotenoids. Okay. And peas, also rich in carotenoids called as lutein and zeaxanthin. And don't forget those dry fruits, guys, because almonds, they are rich in vitamin E. Walnuts, they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Then the pistachios, they are again rich in carotenoids. Now apart from these vegetarian sources, fish oil and eggs, they are highly recommended for good eye health. Okay. Now second tip is using the right sunglasses when you are outdoors. So it is important to protect the cornea from the UV rays of the sun. That's why use proper shades. You may also use wraparound glasses. So as you can see, these are bent, so they fit around the curvature of your face, your eyes, and they are not exposed at all. Now third tip is for people with prolonged screen exposure. So first thing is you need to use something called computer glasses. Okay, they are anti-glare and they are blue cut. Second thing is use anti-glare screens, anti-glare covers over your laptop, tablet or mobile phone, anything that you're using. And third thing is, do not look directly at the screen. I mean, orient the screen in such a way that there is an angle that you have to look at the screen. Now moving on, this is called the rule of 20s. So what you have to do is, you have to, if you have to look at the screen for a longer duration of time, I mean for hours, then rest every 20 minutes and look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This is the rule of 20s. Okay, follow this if you have to look at the screen for hours. Okay, and last but not the least, that is the fifth eye care tip, is that please rest, sleep for, I mean, 6 to 7 hours daily for your eyes, or if you cannot, then blink frequently. And another tip for dry eyes is that you may use lubricant eye drops, something called as lubricant eye drops, the most common being carboxymethyl cellulose. You may also use sodium hyaluronate eye drops. You may consult with your doctor also. So that's it for today, guys. That's what I wanted to discuss for your eyes, because everything nowadays is going online. So thank you for watching. Like the video, share if you like, subscribe to my channel Nikayo TV.